Hello everyone and welcome back once again to my channel Everything About Coding. In today's video what we are going to do is we are going to write a Python program which will actually test the typing speed. So user will type something and then the program will analyze what was the typing speed of the user. Isn't it exciting? So without wasting any further time, let's begin. So here we are into the PyCharm, and for this particular program we really don't require any special package to be installed. Okay, all we need to do is we need to import time module which is already preloaded, right? That's the first step because we want to calculate the words per minute, right? So the first thing that we did was the we have imported the time module, and then we will take a sentence, and the sentence is Python is a very powerful programming language. So this is a sample, okay, for the user. And then what we are going to tell the user, that the user need to type this sentence, and then we will calculate the words per minute. Okay, that is what we are going to do. So how we are going to do that is, first we will give the message to the user that print, and we can say type this sentence, that is type this sentence. And which sentence? Let me give one, two slash n, so that is like we will have two more blank lines. Okay, and then we can say plus which sentence? That is the sentence that we have over here. So it will be like type this sentence, and this is the sentence. So we are telling the user to type this sentence. Okay, after that what we need to do is we will simply take a input, and this input does not mean anything. It just simply means press press enter to start. Okay, that's it. So what we are going to tell the user, just press enter to start. The moment the user will press enter, we will start a timer. That is, we will record the start time. That is what we need to do. So we will say start. So this is the start time. I will take the module time dot time. Okay, so what does this mean is we are going to take the current time, that is the start time, and then the start time. After the start time we will print the message for the user, that is not the message, we need to take the input from the user, and that is whatever the user has, okay, has typed, and that is we will say input, and we will say that start typing, something like this. Okay, so what does this mean is we will give a slash n over here also. So let us give one more blank line. So we will say the user press enter to start, and then the message will print start typing, and now the user will start typing. After typing, the user has to press enter to end. Okay, so then we will take the end start time, and that is the same thing, time dot time. So what does this mean is this is the start time and this is the end time. So user will type this particular sentence and then press enter. The moment he or she presses enter, we will take that, we will record the time, what was the start time and what was the end time. Then what we need to do is we will calculate the time taken. And how can we do that? We will minus the end time from the start time. Okay, it makes a lot of sense, right? And then we have to calculate how many words the user has typed. And how can we get that is we will first calculate the length of the words, but first we need the words, right? So that is inside typed, that was the user input dot split. So what does this is going to do is split method will basically split the words, okay, and will return a list. So the list will have the word as every single word as an element of the list, and then we will calculate the length of the list. So if he or she has typed 5 words, so the list will have 5 words, and then the length function will return 5. Okay, so how many words the user has typed, and at last we will calculate words per minute, and the formula for that is words. Okay, words, and then we will divide those words by the time taken to type those words, and into 60. This is the formula. The words typed divided by the time taken to type those words into 60. And then we can simply print the words per minute. And that's it. Okay. Let me just run this program. And here it is. Okay. It is saying to me that type this sentence, that is Python is a very powerful programming language. Press enter to start, right? So the moment I press enter, I need to start typing. And here it is. Python is a very powerful programming language, right? And then press enter, and that is the words per minute, and that is 36. If I try one more time, let me just do it one more time. Python is a very powerful programming language, and this time it is 45. So this is how we can calculate the words per minute, what was the typing speed of the user. Obviously, this is a very simple Python program. There are many factors to this, like whether the user has typed exactly as what the sentence has been given, was there any, you know, any typing mistake, all that needs to be calculated. But this is very, I have kept it very simple just to calculate the typing speed of the user. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and in case if you really feel that I'm giving real content to you, you can, like to this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.